Welcome. In front of me is a Pixel 6a, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification, expand it, and look for the toggle. Now it looks like for me it's right over here. So once you find it, you can tap on it. It allows you to choose if you want to record audio or not by flipping this on or off. And in addition, you can also choose if it records device audio, microphone, or both. Now, if you're planning to use both, I do recommend using something like headphones, just so you can get rid of the unwanted echo effect that would be created when recording both without it. The reason for that is when you record both, your speaker or microphone will be picking up the speaker sound, so it will be recorded twice. And like I said, it's not very nice thing to have. So use headphones or turn down the volume so microphone can't really pick it up to kind of get rid of it. And anyway, let's get started. So it starts to count down from 3 and then starts recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. And once you're done, pull down your notification one more time and tap on stop. This will save the screen recording to your Photos application. You can see it right over here. So there we go. That is how you can record your screen on this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.